Look, ayy. When will they learn? You gotta love what you got. Want more than they earn. Picking the locks. Only one way to the.
Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we gon' get ratchet and make some homemade Disarrono on the rocks. No, we make it homemade Amaretto Sour. Are y'all serious?
What?
We make it homemade Amaretto Sour. For today's ingredients, you need, cause we got an orange or whatever. Okay, so you can use orange for a garnish if you want to, but we not doing that because we don't need that bougie stuff. So, all you need is a bag of ice, some lemon juice. I just got this lemon juice from Aldi's, I think it was, and this is 100% juice or whatever. You can use whatever kind. You can use the Wiram, I think it's called Wiram Walker version, or you can use the Disarrono. I like the Disarrono. I'm just familiar with it. That's what I've always served at bars when I order Amaretto Sours. So that is what I went to get, and it was actually like on sale at Jewel Osco for $22. It retails for $25, and at Target it's like $30. So it really just depends on what your grocer prices the Disarrono and what your budget is. Also, I have here the simple sugar that I made, and it's just 1 cup of white sugar and 1 cup of water that I used, that I made and boiled on the stove. And so, yeah, I boiled on the stove for like a few seconds, a few minutes, until the sugar got white, until the sugar disappeared and the syrup looks clear so that you can't see any more sugar. It's just a syrup now, so it's just a clear. It doesn't have like a sticky or like heavy consistency. It basically just looks like water, but you just want to make sure that the sugar is dissolved. So this is how we gonna get this popping, okay? So I'm using, as y'all know, my BITCH over there, Bella. Okay, I don't have a shaker. Like, you're supposed to shake your drinks or whatever. I don't have a shaker, so I'm gonna use Bella's cup and her, top here to shake my drink. So we're gonna mix it right in here, and we're gonna take 1 tablespoon, and we're going to take the Disarrono on the rocks. No, I'm sorry. We're gonna take the Disarrono, and we gonna take him, okay? And we just gonna, let me get up in this gristle so y'all can see, because I want y'all to be able to see what's going down. So let me move the camera closer to what's happening. Okay, so I'm taking I'm gonna do 3 tablespoons of the Disarrono. Okay, so I did 3 tablespoons of the Disarrono. Sit him back over there. I'm going to do y'all good?
No.
I wasn't even talking to y'all. Okay, I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of my simple sugar here. I'm sorry, dang it, I keep calling it simple sugar. Of my simple syrup. So I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of my simple syrup. And I'm going to do 1. 2. 1 simple syrup. 2 simple syrups. Next, we're gonna do our lemon juice, 100% lemon juice, And we're gonna take that, and we're actually gonna make this 1.5 tablespoons. So we're gonna do 1, and then we're just gonna fill it up halfway because I'm too lazy to fan the half tablespoon. So we're just gonna fill it up halfway, and we're just gonna do a half tablespoon like that. Okay. Then we're going to take our handy dandy notebook. Ice. We're gonna take some ice, and we're just gonna fill it up to, our heart's content here. You can put as little or as much ice as you like. I like a little bit of a lot of ice. We just gonna hook that up there. Then you put the top on your drink here. You wanna, I gotta make sure it's on tight because my stuff leaks. It's all bogus. This the hood. So, yeah. Okay, so this the ghetto. The ghetto. Okay. So after you do that, then you want to just make sure you shake your drink. You want to shake it up, baby. Now shake it up, baby. Twist this shout. Twist this shout. Come on, baby. Now come on, baby. Work it on out. I knocked the Disarrono out. Almost. Work it on out. Oh, you twist it up. You know you twist so fast. Twist so fast. You know you got me going. You got me going. Let me know that you're mine. Know you're mine. Okay. So once that's all nicely shaken, you see that fizz at the top? That's a great little fizz there. You want to see that fizz. Some people don't like the fizz. I like the fizz. It is what it is. That kind of rhymed. Okay, so, and then you want to take whatever glass you're going to use. And you can actually just drink it like that in your shaker if you're that kind of person. I know a lot of people that's just like, whatever. But then I like to take my drink because I'm semi-bougie, okay? And I want to make it seem like I'm at the club, drinking on my, drinky drink in VIP, and voila, we have our homemade, you're making the camera shake, boy. Voila, we have our homemade Disarrono Amaretto Sour.
I've been enjoying my turn, but what they learn, it's all about what you flip. It ain't about what you earn, taking the steps, ain't no shortcut to the top. I've been enjoying my turn, when they gon' learn, you gotta love what you got. Want more than they earn, picking the locks, only one way to the top. I've been enjoying my.
Would you like a sip? Eat cake in me. Eat goddamn cake. Then we take our drink, you feel me, while the kids running around losing their man, girl.
Not really, we're standing right here watching you record. Yeah, continue.
While the kids running around doing they losing their man, girl. Get your drink, girl.
Or boy.
Okay?
Or boy. She doesn't judge. Or boy.
Let me tell y'all something, okay? This drink takes me back to my... I can't say what I want to say because I got ass all eyes on me. You feel me? But this drink takes me back, okay? I'm telling y'all, if y'all don't get nothing else, y'all go out and y'all get y'all some Disarrono, okay? I said it like Cardi B because she doesn't, So y'all go out and y'all get y'all some Disarrono. And y'all hook it up y'all y'all ain't gotta pay no $10 for a drink at the bar. Why is we paying $10 for a drink? Honey, that's too much money. You feel me?
But you paying.
We ain't got no stimulus check money to be paying $10 at the bar for a drink. So what we gonna do? We gonna buy our own Disarrono and we gonna hook it up at the crib.
This whole set is $20.
Oh,
This whole set is $20. So you might as well just go to the bar.
let me tell you something. But I can pay $20 at the bar one time or $20 for a whole week, maybe 2 weeks. Anyway, I stretched my dollar. You feel me? She don't understand. I stretched my dollar.
Yes, I do.
This is, let me tell y'all something. Y'all want some? Here, take that. This is the drink. Go out
Worth
there.
$1,000.
I'm telling y'all, if y'all don't like this, comment in the comment section down below and let me know. Shantae, you crazy. I made that drink and it was disgusting. Bang, bang. Amaretto Sour is where it's at. Go get you some. Holla at me in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And boop, boop. I'll see you later.
When they gon' learn, it's all about what you flip. It ain't about what you earn. Taking the steps, ain't no shortcut to the top. I've been enjoying my tour. Perfect day, Highway 61. Tell my chick